Hey there, curious minds. Today, we're going to uncover how sometimes even smart people can make mistakes when they don't have all the right information. It's all about something called using an unrepresentative sample. Sounds complex? Don't worry, I'll explain it in a super simple way. Imagine you want to know if eating ice cream makes all kids happy. If you only ask kids at a birthday party who are already having fun, you might think, wow, ice cream makes all kids super happy. But what about kids who didn't go to the party or who don't like ice cream? By not including them, you miss out on what everyone really thinks. Let's look at a real example. A study was done on 200 female smokers who are all in their 20s, and it found that only 2% of them had high blood pressure. Based on this, the study concluded women don't need to worry about smoking causing high blood pressure. But here's the catch. The survey was only on young women in their 20s. What about older women or women who have been smoking longer? By not including them, the conclusion might not be right for all women. This is what we call using an unrepresentative sample. The group they studied doesn't represent all women, so the conclusion might be off. It's like saying all music is great just because your favorite song is awesome. So why does this matter? Because using the right sample helps us make better decisions and understand things more accurately. Next time you hear a fact, think about who was really asked to get that answer. Thanks for watching, and always keep questioning the world around you. See you next time.